Yeah, I got a photo back because it's a good, nice road this, and I've not. It's nice with all the bikes on film. Is he on intercom? No, not yet. He'll sort it. Ah, did he? Is that what he was shaking his head at? Oh, I missed that. No. We'll remind him though. Yeah, should have done that before he set off. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. Well, because it had taken a bit of an hammer, because when I got his helmet to give to him, I pulled out grass and gubbins out at intercom. I couldn't believe that. I've knocked mine off fiddling with it. No. Yeah, we've just gone past the passing place. Ah, we're alright, we'll get through there. Yeah, he's pulling in for us, nice. Yeah. Yeah, here he comes, he let us in. Still fiddling with intercom. No. He has plugged it in, hasn't he? He might not have plugged it in. Yeah. Well, it'll here, when you first turn it on, it'll say battery high here. Or I think he's just retuned itself to say, you're a bell end. No. All sorted at fuel station. Yeah, you can tell when it's turned on. Yeah, we had it on coming back. Yeah. What, on ours? Yeah, can do. I'm on. Yeah. Yeah, I don't, but now we've got the 3. Oh, Tony, speak. Yeah, yeah. Now we've got 3 again. It's not as loud as it just was with just me and you on. Mine goes quieter when there's 3 on. Yeah, but it's not as loud as it was with just then with me and you talking. I've done all that. Yeah, yeah, it's on. Everything's on max, but it just seems to do it when there's more than one person on. How's it feeling, Tony? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm in. Yeah. No, I got it just down here this morning, just past here. So yeah, this is where I turned it round here, this turning point. Because I knew it went a bit sort of flatter down there, so I just turned round. It was far enough, that. Oh well. Yeah. 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 You have to have it, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, oh, that's why, yeah, I'm absolutely loving that. Did you have a bit of an amateur moment setting off from hotel? Were there a stall? Oh, hey! It does, in great big letters. Okay. Oh, fuck that. Right, yeah. We get to Perth when we get to Perth. It's only it's 180 miles today. It's a gentle tootle. Yeah, it's all good, decent road today. There's only one little bit of single track today, but that's really quite nice. No. No, yeah, of course, yeah, you've got to have it in your own head, yeah. Yeah, no, that's it, I give them a good stamp on. Yeah. Yeah. Who I? Yeah, seen it. Yeah, got it. Tony, well, you've been on your settings, you know, with your like your Wigan six fingers. Have you not knocked something you shouldn't have done, have you? Like knocked motor traction control off, or put it into supermoto mode and ended up locking it back yesterday? No. No. Right. Yeah. No, I've not touched it. I didn't touch any of modes. No, it would have been in that mode when you went down, because we'd gone on to that fast bit, so you'd have come out of rain mode when we come off single track and come out of the mist, because I moved all mine as well, and I remember having conversation with you about changing settings back up, because we got into that fast bit, because you wouldn't have been on that fast bit in rain mode. So yeah, back to this, because when we turned on to this single track to come down to Altnahara, put it back into rain mode. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah, if you put this into supermoto mode, it takes the ABS off the back wheel, so you can back it in on back brake. Yeah. no. No, I would say you did it intentionally. I was just thinking with your six-fingered wigged hand, you might do it, you know, on settings. Yeah, I am. Yeah, he's gone in there, he's alright. So, oil temps at what? Mine's 63. Yeah. It's a psychological thing that now, innit? You know it's engaged if you've used your clutch. It's just a manual override, innit? Yeah. Yeah. No, I didn't go on the grass. I just came down that path. I didn't want to interrupt you two having a bit of a roll in the hay there. Nope, desolate, isn't it? Yeah, I've no liners in. Oh, the screen's fine.